Welcome. If you want to block ads in your Samsung Galaxy S10, I recommend you to get the Opera Mini browser because they got built-in AdBlock and you don't have to connect any external application. So, if you want to get it, just go for the Play Store, type here Opera Mini and just download this application. If you got it, tap on the Open button. Click Continue. And right now we can enter the website. I think we can go for this one. We don't want to switch to reader mode. And as you can see, we got here notifications that the ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now when you scroll down the page, we cannot find here any ads. So I hope that helped you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.